Lancaster General Health is already over 100% capacity. With the holidays now over, they're expecting the situation to only get worse. Brian Munoz spoke with the hospital's top doctor about it. He joins us now live. Brian.
Well, Lancaster County continues to break records, an unprecedented number of COVID cases and hospitalizations, with unvaccinated people filling most of those beds. Hospitals may be packed, but intensive care units aren't as much. That's a good sign, but the system remains strained in Lancaster County, across the Midstate, and all over the country.
We're hearing about Omicron creating, less severe cases or mild cases. And while that may be true at a population level, we're certainly not seeing it here in South Central Pennsylvania. We're seeing our highest number of cases overall in the hospital.
The highest at Penn Medicine Lancaster General Health since the pandemic started, with more than 140 patients admitted for COVID-19 and about 50 recovered but not ready to go home.
EMS teams are waiting, right, to bring in patients to the hospital because we have a group of patients in the hospital that we can't send to the next phase of care. Skilled nursing home facility, rehab facility.
And that creates a real challenge both on the hospital floor and in the waiting rooms. Dr. Rubchinsky says a lot of people coming in are showing symptoms.
They're actually, short of breath, have increased fatigue, and many of them are requiring oxygen, over 90% at this time.
And instead of ventilators and PPE, staff is what's in short supply this time around.
They're overwhelmed. Frankly, they're a little heartbroken. They wish we were in a different situation. Some are frustrated and tired. So we're trying to balance the needs of all the patients.
Dr. Rubchinsky says about half the people walking into hospital doors are testing positive for COVID. He says at this point, the virus is spreading so rampantly that if you have COVID symptoms, you probably have COVID itself. So get tested. Live in Lancaster, Brian Munoz, ABC 27 News.